Hi guys, good morning, good day, whatever time is it of the day. How are you doing? Okay guys, thank God for another day. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for viewing my channel guys. Thank you. I need you to subscribe to my channel, Henry Family TV. HENRYS Family TV. Okay guys, and today we are giving God thanks. God has been so good to us. Today I'm going to cook brown stew chicken. Okay, so I have my chicken here. I already washed my chicken. I just put a little seasoning on it already for it to marinate. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut up my chicken and I'm going to put the real seasoning on it. All right, and this is my all-purpose seasoning, and this is my jerk seasoning. Can you see it? And this is my cayenne pepper and a little of pink salt. Okay guys, and my natural season like my scallion and my onion, I'll put it on later. Okay guys, so I already washed it with the lemon and I just put a little season to marinate. So I'm going to cut it up and put my real seasoning on it now. Okay guys, and I'm going to put cabbage in my brown stew, and I'm going to cook a little piece of yam, and maybe I cook some dumplings. I'm not sure yet. All right guys, so look at me what as I go. All right, so I'm going to wash my hands again, and please guys, wash your hands. Okay guys, so I have my chicken here. I'm going to cut it and let you see. All right, and I have my meat board here, and as I say, I wash it already and put a little seasoning on it for it to marinate. And this is how I cut my chicken. There it is, piece by piece. I skin my chicken like this. And as I say, I already wash my chicken, season my chicken with a little seasoning, but I'm just showing you how I cut my chicken. I'm going to brown stew, so I'm going to cut it very small. Like this, guys. This is how I brown stew my chicken. That's the size of my chicken. And normally I'd cut this off. Okay, guys. So this is my, as I say, I wash already. So it's not much, just a little. So this is it. This is my brown stew. This is my chicken that I'm going to brown stew. Okay, guys. I'm just showing you how I do my chicken. I wash my meat board. Make sure you keep your areas clean, guys. If you don't have a running water, get some water in a basin. Yeah, keep your areas clean. Okay, guys. I'm going to put this away for another day. All right. All right. So I have, As I say, I'll wash already. This is my all-purpose. I'm just going to put a little in it, not much. My cayenne pepper. Like this. A little seasoning like this. Guys, I like to marinate my meat before, like a day or two, and sometimes even a week or so. I marinate my meat, or wherever I buy it, I try to marinate it. So I did this from yesterday, so I'm just showing you how I do it. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put a little browning on it, so give it a little color. So I'm just showing you how I do it. So if you don't have a lime, you use a lemon. So I put a little browning like this. This is my browning. You use your hands. Use your hands. Okay, guys. So it's all marinated. So I'm just showing you how I do it. I put a little bit more. You put the your browning to what color you want. Use your hands like this if you want to. Use your hands. And if you want to take off the skin from your meat, fine, no problem. Sometimes the skin is on it, and sometimes I take it off. Most time I take off the skin, all right? But I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Okay, guys? So I'm going to put my pot on and let you see. Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my cooking, guys. So I have my pot here all ready, and it's my chicken. Okay, guys, I'm going to brown stew my chicken. Okay, so sometimes I use water, sometimes I tip a little bit of oil in it. Okay, guys, just a little bit of oil. So if you want to use water to brown stew your chicken, fine, you have less oil to deal with. Or if you want oil, no problem, you use whatever you want to use in your brown stew chicken. So I'm just going to grease the pot like this, just a little bit. Just a little bit, guys, because the chicken has in a lot of fat. Okay, guys, and this is my oil. You can get it at the store to buy. And my oil is getting hot now, guys. So in the meantime, I'm going to put on my other pot to cook my piece of yam. Okay, guys, and maybe I cook a piece of squash and yam or dumpling. I'm not sure yet. And how is it going so far, guys? What's happening for your day today? Are you at work? What's happening for you? How is it going? This is my pot with my water to cook my yam. Okay, guys? And this is my meat pot. So my oil is hot. Okay, this is my pot for the yam. I like to use the big pot and my Dutch pot. And this is my chicken that I seasoned from yesterday, but I just show you how I do it. Okay, guys, so my oil is all hot. Turn on the fan. See, guys? See? I turn it up like this. This is how I turn my chicken. And if you want to tip a little water in it, you can. But because of the smoke that is coming out, it will send off the alarm. So most time I tip a little water in it. I tip a little water to prevent the smoke. See guys? Just a little. You see guys? Let me tip a little bit more. Just a little. Just continue watching my channel. Remember to subscribe, friend. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Hey guys, you can see it? And maybe I can put some more browning in there later on. Like, share, comment, make a comment. Tell me how you do your chicken in your country or wherever you are. Just let me know how you do your chicken. What ways? Tell me some other ways that I can cook my chicken. See my color? Chicken is getting its color. Okay, guys. Let me turn down the fan a bit. Here you have to turn on the fan. See my chicken getting a little bit color? See guys? You see? Getting a bit color. And if you want to put more browning in it, you can put it. This is how I do it here. And I have my cover here waiting. So let it stay there, brown stew. This is my pot waiting here now to put in my food. So let me turn on the stove. Okay, guys, you can see. All right, so this is it. Getting a little bit color. So watch as I go, guys. And remember to like, subscribe to my channel, share, comment, tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay, guys. So my water is here hotting. Okay, guys, look at it. It's getting a bit color. So when I get the color, I'm going to put my cabbage in. Or maybe I can put, I'm not sure, I dropped 2 pieces of corn in it, but I'm going to put cabbage in it, all right? Thanks for watching. Yes, guys, you can see my brown stew chicken now. Can you see it, guys? Let me put the phone up a bit. Okay, guys. You can see, guys. See my brown stew chicken here? Okay. And I have some corn here. I'm gonna put some corn in my brown stew chicken. Have you ever tried that before? It's very good. Tastes so good. You can see it, guys? My brown stew chicken. Let me put the camera a bit like you can see. Okay, guys? Yeah. You can see? And make sure, guys, you marinate your meat before, a day before, in the morning, or whatever time you want to. And I have my cabbage here. This is my cabbage. I'm going to cook it down with the brown stew chicken. Okay, guys? You can see it? Right. After I put in my seasoning. And this is my water over here getting hot. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. And remember to subscribe, like, share, make a comment. Tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay, guys? Love you. Watch as I go. As I proceed and continues or whatever, you watch as I go. Okay, guys? Yes, guys. Welcome back. Cooking my brown stew chicken. Let me show you. I have some hot water here in case of more hot water. So let me show you. Can you see it, guys? It's getting its color. Okay, guys. And I'm going to put a tip of coconut milk in it. And I'm going to use some of the coconut milk to make my dumplings. Okay, I didn't really plan to make dumpling, but I said, okay, let me put a little of the coconut milk in my dumpling and a little in the brown stew chicken. So I'm going to put some water in this now. If you want to use your regular dry coconut, no problem. This is what I'm using. Sometimes I use this, and sometimes I use my regular coconut. But I don't have a regular coconut now, so I'm using the powder. So if you want to use your powder, fine, no problem. So I'm mixing my coconut milk. So I'm just going to put a little bit in it. Okay. There it goes, guys. Just a little bit. So I'm going to use the rest to make my dumplings. And if you want to put some more browning in it to give it a better color, no problem. You guys, look at it. So I'm going to tip a little bit more browning in it. Just a little tip because of the coconut milk, okay? You can see it now? Just a little tip. If you don't want to, fine. You can see it now? Tip a little water in, hot water in it. Let it stay there. You can see, guys? This is it. Brown stew chicken with corn. I'm going to put my cabbage in. I already washed. If you want to cut it smaller, fine. If you want to cut it big, no problem. If you want to split it like this, no problem. Here, I have it in my water here. See, guys? Okay, I'm going to put my natural seasoning in it now. Just stay in there. Okay, guys. Okay, this is my onion. And guys, remember, use whatever season you want. You don't have to use my season, my type of seasons. You use whatever you want. The onion is so big. I have to split it like this and like this because my onion is very big. Okay, guys, I'm going to put in my scallion. And if you want to put your scallion big in the pot, no problem. So I cut mine like this. I have a little piece of cut pepper. You can put a whole of pepper in it, while you can put a piece of pepper. I'm going to put tomato in it, but like later on, I don't like to see my tomato cook out like that, so I'm going to put this in now. So watch as I go. You can see? You can smell it? See? You can tip a little water in it, like this. Stay there, simmer down. And this is my seasoning now. You stay there and cook. Right. I'll put the tomato in later. Okay, guys? So you whatever time you want to put in your tomato, you put it in. Okay? So this is my brown stew chicken with cabbage and corn. You can see it now, guys? So I'm going to let it stay there, sit, and get its own color. All right, guys? Watch me as I go. I'm going to wash my hands to make my dumplings and my flour. So this is my cornmeal and flour. I'm going to put a little salt in it. Just a little. And this is my coconut milk. I'm going to use it to make my dumplings and my flour and my dough. Okay, guys, ready? I'm all here. Like this, my coconut milk to make my dumpling. Whatever way you want to make it, you can throw it in the water while you're cooking, or you can just use it to make your dumpling, right? Or your dough. And if it's too thick, you can tip a little bit of water in it like this. Or if your dumpling in your flour, or dumpling is too soft, you can tip a little bit more flour. Okay, let's look at this, guys. So I have coconut dumplings. See my pot is cooking there, guys. Let me gauge my fire. My family is not big, so I don't have to cook a lot of food. You see, guys? Let's go and make my dumplings. You see my dumpling there, guys? And I let it sit there and stay until it's set, okay? And I have a leftover here, so I'm going to put it in here. And see? Okay, guys. I'll wash my hands. So I have my dumpling all covered, my flour all covered. Okay. This is my spoon for my, let me change the meat to the spoon again. Okay, guys, I always put my spoon in some water. So you can see my, make sure your cabbage is at the bottom. So it's brown stewed chicken, okay, guys, with cabbage and corn. So my water over here is getting hot now. Let me show you. See my pot over here? Let me turn up the fire. So it's getting hot. So I have some hot water in here. So I'm going to pour it in this pot here. Okay, guys. Put some more water in it. You guys, waiting on the water to boil up, okay? Yes, guys, welcome back. I'm going to peel my food, my yam, my squash, and put in my dumplings. Okay, guys? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my salt in first. Just a little salt. Okay, guys, you can use a spoon, just a little. I'm going to peel my yam. Skin of the yam is so hard. Skin is hard. Cut your yam like this. Okay, guys, this is my yam. It's there cooking. And I have a piece of squash. I cut my squash like this. Remember, you have to be careful. A knife will cut. Okay, the bottom of the squash is very hard, so you cannot cut it in and belly like this. It will cut you, so you always try to put it down on the counter or table or whatever, and you cook it. Okay, so I'm going to wash my squash. Squash are very soft. Okay, see guys, let it stay there. And this is my chicken over here, getting its color. Tastes very good. I'm going to wash my hands to make my dumplings. Okay, guys. This is my flour, coconut dumpling. See my yum cooking. Okay, I'm going to put my dumpling in. Not a big family, guys. There you go. And guys, anything you want to put in your brown stew chicken, you want to put carrot, chocho, Irish, anything in your brown stew chicken, fine. If you want to put it by itself, fine, no problem. See my dumpling here, guys. Make my dumpling. You make it in whatever you want. Remember, guys, taste your pot. Don't cook and don't taste your pot. And don't use a lot of salt. Small portion of salt, guys. We know we all love it to be salt. Not in excess, but we love it salt in it. Okay, guys? But see, it's easy. Not a lot of food today. And I have my squash ready. And whenever you put your squash in whatever time you want, when you cook, you just take it out. Okay, guys? And what I do, I put it with the skin on it. Yeah, guys? That's my pot. Okay, guys? And I'm going to taste it. Let us see. Okay, guys? This is my pot. Okay, that's it. This is how I taste my pot. Look at it, guys. Put it in my hand. That's it. Good to go. Stay there and cook. Watch me as I go, guys. And remember, as you're cooking, clean your kitchen as you go. Okay, guys? And this is my chicken. See? Can you see? Cabbage, brown stew chicken, and corn, and coconut milk. So it's cabbage, chicken, brown stew chicken, coconut milk, and corn. Okay, guys? You can try it at home. Try it and tell me how it tastes. Okay, guys? Okay. What does I go? Remember to subscribe, like, share, make a comment. Good or bad, make a comment. It doesn't mind. Just make a comment. Tell me, how do you do it at home? How do you cook at home? How do you cook your chicken? Brown stew, fry, bake, whatever. Just let me know. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. There's my chicken. Finish. And my food. It's finished also. So I'm going to turn off my fire. Okay, guys? So I'm going to show you my finished product. So this is brown stew chicken, coconut milk, corn, and cabbage with my seasoning. Okay? And this is my food. Dumpling and squash and yam. Okay, guys? Do you want some? I'm ready to give you some. Okay, guys? I'm going to share out and let you see how I taste my food. Guys, so you can try it at home. Remember your coconut milk. I put coconut milk in the dumplings. Okay, guys? And it make it taste good. So I'm going to show you my finished products. Yes, guys. So I'm all finished now. So I'm going to show you my finished product. Okay, guys? My dumpling, coconut dumpling, corn, squash, a piece of yam. It's an African yam. I found a cucumber from my backyard, so this is my cucumber. I just slice it, and this is my cabbage, tomato, and chicken. I'm going to taste it and let you see. Okay, guys? Let's start with the yam. Okay, guys? Okay, guys? Look at it. Tastes so good. Try it at home. Okay, guys? Tastes so good. Right now, you can try it at home with your coconut milk. Instead of using this a lot of oil to brown stew, you can use a coconut milk. If you don't, you just go ahead and do whatever you want. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching my channel. And remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Make a comment on my channel, please. Please. Okay? Thank you. God bless you. All right? I'm going to enjoy my meal. All right? Okay, thanks a lot. Remember, my channel is Henry, Henry Family TV. Thank you for watching. See you on my next channel.